Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you these Dunsie 16 piece 3 to 10-year-old cute sunglasses. These ones are in the color Elegant. So they're super cute because they come with like a little flower design, and then some of them are just the round ones like this. But for the price, like, you absolutely cannot go wrong with these, especially for parties. Or if you're like me, I have two girls, so they're always needing glasses for something. So this is super handy to, stick a pair or two inside the diaper bag, a couple pairs in the car, in their rooms. So I absolutely love the quality. They each come individually wrapped. And they do actually protect from the sun too. So that's another nice thing, is they're not just clear lenses. So I would definitely recommend these sunglasses by Dunsie.